The officer is attempting to talk to this suspect due to him possibly being involved in a battery and assault that happened in a nearby amusement center called Gizmos.
Stop touching me, bro. Oh, I really don't want to hear it. You see this, bro? I'm cool, bro. Watch this. Feel real, come get me. Hey, stop! Watch out, bro. Stop touching me, bro. Stop! Touching me, stop. Look. Put your hands behind your back. Stop! Stop! See this? On the ground. Get on the ground. Man, you want to do all this. Man, they get me on my cousin. Stop moving. Watch out, bro. Man, you see that shit, bro? That was so lame. That was so lame. That was so lame. Oh my God. That was so fucking lame. Y'all messing with me, bro. Y'all lame ass son of my cousin. Y'all messing with me, bro. Watch out, bro. Now y'all gonna have to kill me. Oh damn. Where's his legs? From Gizmo, stick him over here and ID him. You gotta back up first. You see that? Stop. Bro, get y'all goofy ass out. Y'all messing with me for what? Y'all last lame. Y'all dead ass. Y'all bitch to me. Y'all some bitch. Cousin. Y'all ass can't even hold me for real. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Y'all come on. I'm not gonna hurt you. Come on. Y'all hurt me. Why the y'all mess with me then? Why is y'all stopping me? I'm not gonna stop. Y'all gonna make me mad, bro. Y'all gonna make me mad. Y'all gonna really have to kill me. That's on my cousin. Y'all gonna make me mad, bro. Let me go, bro. Y'all finna break my wrist. Watch out. Just stop moving. Why is y'all overdoing it? Hold his head. Look, they over. Look at this shit. Y'all gonna have to kill me. Watch your head. Y'all can't get him up. They making me overdoing it. Don't tell us how to do our job. I'm not telling you. Y'all job. Get him up. Instead of having his feet in your back. I got the right to say that. I'm saying. We tried to get him up. It didn't work. Tell my mama I love her, man. Love my girlfriend, man. Man, it's just easier to keep him on his side right now. He's being a little aggressive, okay? You can stand there if you'd like. Okay, that's all I'm saying. As soon as he settles down, we'll get him up. All right. Are you getting somebody from Gizmos over here? What? Gizmos, bro. Why y'all keep mentioning Gizmos, bro? I done left their premises. Fuck y'all, mess with me, folk, bro. Can you stop holding my head, bro?
Can we set you up? What's your first name?
Don't worry about it.
Okay. How old are you, bud? Javante, can we sit you up?
What? What do you want?
Come here. We're gonna sit you up, Javante.
Hey, Javante, what's your birthday?
Right, y'all, baby. That's what I want to do.
Alright, bud, come on.
Why is y'all messing with me, bro?
Nobody wants to mess with you.
Hey,
No, now we're going backwards. Sit here so you
I'm
can
trying to
sit
sit up, bro. Stop holding me, bro.
Well, stop kicking your feet.
Damn, bro. What the f, bro? Right. Y'all ass stop me for no reason. Hey, what y'all, bro? Y'all lame ass on, bro.
Let's go. Sit up.
Y'all ass so lame. Y'all lame as hell, bro. Y'all lame.
Grab his jacket.
Y'all lame as hell, bro. I thought this was a dream to me. I thought this shit was a whole dream, bro. I thought this was a whole dream to me. Think y'all my f***ing hand, bro.
Come on, John.
Y'all my, hey, y'all my phone. Shit, bro. Damn. Y'all gonna get my phone, bro?
Come here, grab her.
You got it. Reach him in the car.
Oh, damn, bro. Losing my patience, bro. Y'all wanna mess with me.
Coming.
Damn, y'all wanna f me. I'm not worried about y'all, bro. I don't even like the police. Oh,
I know.
y'all let's get jacked. Wait till y'all let's get. Wait, I'm gonna show y'all something. Y'all gonna remember me. I'm gonna remember my face.
Stop, come on.
Look at that. Oh, you.
Somebody say,
Oh, you bitch. Oh, you bitch. That's so big, your dead ass. Come on.
The man seen on the left here is the Gizmo security guard who is the victim of the situation that Jovante is involved in. He, earlier, positively identified Jovante as the suspect to police, which led to this arrest.
Y'all just stepped on my shoes, damn, dude. Y'all laugh, man. Y'all just took my phone, all type of shit, gang. My phone there. Hurry the up, motherfucker, got it. Hurry up, gang. Hurry up. I don't got shit on me, just hurry up.
Okay, so stop. It'll be
I just said, hurry up, bro. Damn, bro, y'all ass hard me hard, cousin. Stop f***ing doing that, bro. Y'all doing too much, bro. Y'all doing too much, bro. Y'all ass be racist as hell. All y'all white bitches on my dead on me. Y'all. Stop touching me. I'm gonna go get in the car, bro. Now. Y'all don't do that. You think you stronger than me? No. I'm not gonna get a police. You a police or not, bitch? Goofy ass. Watch out. Touching me, gang. Touching me, gang. You doing too much, gang. Bitch ass. Look at my phone. Got no respect for none of y'all white bitch. Y'all some fuck I was thinking, bro. I was thinking. Been at home. Could have been home. Could have been home. Could have been home. Some told me stay 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 home.
I called myself an ambulance too. I don't know what.
Yourself an ambulance?
Here, my thigh is killing me. Like there's a big knot right here. I don't know. It's killing me. They're coming. I told them where to go.
Did you call them on your phone?
No, like I called them there because no one can hear us.
Okay, so dispatch knows.
Yes. Okay. You took off and my leg just locked up. So I'm like, oh, I got it. Like, oh.
All right. Right.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Why are you acting like this?
Bro, y'all mess with me, bro. What the f you want me to do, bro?
I asked you to stop and talk to me.
I didn't want to talk to you, bro. What the f you stopping me for? Hey, what f we got to talk about?
We had some issues over it. Gizmos.
It don't matter. It's I'm on the premises, no. Told me stay home from work. Told me stay home from work, man.